So if you're new to marketing, there's going to be two questions that you're constantly facing. What am I going to write and where am I going to post? Well, to help you out with what am I going to write, start with just simply telling a customer story or a recent client story. Talk about the problem they faced and the way that you were able to help them overcome that problem. Make sure that they're the hero in the story and your product or service is the solution. Your other option is to pick one of the 5 writing formulas that we've highlighted. Follow the paragraph by paragraph formula, and before you know it, you'll have great written content. Now, to answer that question, where do I post? Go ahead and download our step-by-step checklist. It'll show you where to post, how to post, and step-by-step instructions on what to do. If you need any help, you know where to find us.